Understanding the collision parameter, a gateway to physics. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing concept from the world of physics, the collision parameter. This term might sound complex at first, but don't worry. We're here to break it down for you, making it easy to understand no matter your level of English. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries behind this fascinating topic. The collision parameter refers to a term used in physics to describe a specific aspect of particle collisions. Imagine two particles moving towards each other. The collision parameter is the perpendicular distance between their paths if they continued to move without interacting. In simpler terms, it's like measuring how off-center a collision is. If this distance is large, the particles might just graze each other. If it's small, they're headed for a more direct hit. This concept is crucial in understanding how particles interact at both the microscopic and macroscopic levels. Understanding the collision parameter is key to predicting the outcomes of particle collisions in various fields, including nuclear physics, chemistry, and astrophysics. It helps scientists understand how particles exchange energy, how chemical reactions occur, and even how celestial bodies interact in space. By studying the collision parameter, researchers can predict not just the direction particles will move after colliding but also how their internal states might change, such as energy levels or spin orientation. The concept of the collision parameter isn't just theoretical. It has practical applications that affect our daily lives and the technology we use. For example, in medical physics, it helps in the design of treatments like radiation therapy, where accurately targeting cancer cells without harming surrounding healthy tissue is critical. In environmental science, understanding particle collisions helps in modeling how pollutants spread in the air or water. And in technology, it's used in the development of materials with specific properties, like hardness or conductivity, by controlling the collision processes during material synthesis. The collision parameter is a fundamental concept in physics that plays a crucial role in our understanding of the universe, from the tiniest particles to the vastness of space. We hope this video has shed some light on this topic and made it more accessible to learners of all levels. Remember, physics is not just for scientists. It's a subject full of fascinating concepts that touch on every aspect of our lives. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting lessons. See you in the next video.